In today's video, you're going to learn the fastest way to turn a head of cauliflower into rice by using your blender, and I'm also going to show you how to store it. We're not cooking it in this video, so I'll save you the watch time. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Laura, often referred to as the internet mom that will teach you how to cook for yourself and for your family with simple and fresh recipes. Now, while there are several ways to turn cauliflower into rice, in this video, I'm only showing you how to do it using a blender. I'll link the other methods below in the description box if those are of interest to you. The first thing you want to do is chop your cauliflower into smaller pieces so they fit inside of your blender jar. It doesn't matter what kind of blender you have for this. For best results, I suggest doing it in batches and filling your blender no more than 3/4 of the way up. Now, in case you're wondering, you can absolutely use the stems and the core and turn it into cauliflower rice. The next step is to fill your blender jar with just enough water to cover the cauliflower. Place it on your blender base, make sure to close the lid tightly and give it a blend, pulsing it a few times. The water helps move the cauliflower pieces around for even chopping. Now, all you have to do is drain the water out and you're left with riced cauliflower. Now, before I continue, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below. It lets me know that I should continue to make this type of videos on my channel. For best results when cooking this rice cauliflower and storing it, you'll want to remove as much of the water as possible. One way is to use the back of the spoon and press it down. As you can see, there's still so much water left and coming out of the cauliflower. But another way is to wrap your rice cauliflower inside of a large, clean kitchen towel, close it like this, and wring out the excess liquid. Now you're ready to cook this rice cauliflower or use it raw for a cold salad. You can store it in an airtight container or in a zip bag lined with a paper towel to absorb any moisture left. Then you're gonna remove the air out of the bag, seal it, and keep it in your fridge for up to 3 days. In the freezer, without the paper towel, of course, for up to 3 months. Now, I'm gonna make sure to have a few of my tried and true cauliflower rice recipes for you to try in the description box below, and I hope to see you in another video since I upload a few times a week. See you next time.